Hello everyone, my name is Ronaldo Higruz. I'm currently studying as a first year student in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I'll be presenting on automation and IoT. We will explore what IoT is, its characteristics, physical and logical design, and the communication protocols that powers it. First of all, what is IoT? Well, the definition of IoT is that it is a network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, softwares, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. Next is its key characteristics. First is data sharing. Devices exchange data to improve efficiency and performance. Since IoT is made up of interconnected devices, they share data with each other that can make each other more efficient and hence improve their performance. These characteristics of IoT is evident in devices such as smart refrigerators, thermostats, and smart cars. Based on the collected data, they can predict future events. Next is self-adapting. AI and machine learning allow devices to adapt dynamically. The artificial intelligence and machine learning in IoT makes them adapt to different conditions. For example, there are cameras that change their settings according to the lighting and setting. Third one is intelligence. Devices process data to make decisions like smart assistants. Simple object level interaction contribute to the collective intelligence in IoT networks. The collected data must be converted into information that can be utilized by the devices. This intelligence must be maintained and upgraded by these devices as they keep on collecting information. The evolution of digital personal assistants like Alexa, Cortana, and Siri is an example of artificial intelligence in IoT. Next is dynamic changes. One of the important characteristics of IoT is data collection from their environment. This is achieved through dynamic changes that occur in the environment around these devices. The state of these devices changes dynamically as well as the number of devices with people, place, and time. The next characteristics of IoT is strong connectivity. It is an important characteristic of IoT due to which anyone at any time can connect from anywhere. This allows network connectivity and device interoperability. IoT can also connect manufacturing device with identification, sensing, actuation, and network capabilities. The connectivity allows devices to be controlled remotely. The next property of IoT is scalable. IoT are capable of massive expansion with the ability to grow without affecting their performance. By adding more hardware or software to the external system, IoT devices can be scaled and more data can be handled without compromising their performance. The next characteristics is sensors. IoT works due to sensors which can precisely assess changes in the environment. This sensing information is the analog input from physical world that provides a better understanding of complex world. Next, it helps in accurate data collection, which not only makes the device more intelligent, but also makes them more useful for the users. And the final characteristics of IoT is communication. As Internet of Things are increasing in number, these devices are becoming more interconnected. Hence, they must communicate with each other in order to work more efficiently and smoothly. Through cloud services, these devices are connected to the Internet. This allows communication among devices. Next, we are gonna learn about the physical design of IoT. A physical device The design of an IoT system refers to the individual nodes, devices, and their protocols that are utilized to create a functional of IoT system. These things/devices in the IoT system are used for building connections, data processing, providing storage, providing interfaces, providing graphical interfaces. The devices generate data and the data is used to perform analysis and do operations for improving the systems. For instance, a moisture sensor is used to obtain the moisture data from a location and the system analyzes it to give an output. These protocols are used to establish communication between a node device and a server over the internet. It helps to send commands to an IoT device and receive data from an IoT device over the internet. Next is IoT functional blocks. IoT systems include several functional blocks such as devices, communication, security, services, and applications. The functional blocks provide sensing, identification, actuation, management, and communication capability. These functional blocks consist of devices that handle the communication between the server and the host, enable monitoring control functions, manage the data transfers, secure the IoT system using authentication, and provide an interface for controlling and monitoring various terms. The functional blocks are number one is device. An IoT system comprises of devices that provide sensing, actuation, monitoring, and control functions. Number two is communication. It handles the communication for the IoT system. The third is services. Services like device monitoring, device control service, data publishing service, and services for device discovery. Next is management. This block provides various functions to govern the IoT system. The next block is security. This block secures the IoT system by providing functions such as authentication, authorization, message and content integrity, and data security. And lastly is application. This is an interface that the users can use to control and monitor various aspects of the IoT system. The application also allows users to view the system status or view or analyze the process data. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.